Hey tech troubleshooters, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever plugged in your external hard drive only to find it's not being detected by your computer? Frustrating, right? Well, today we're going to explore several methods to troubleshoot and fix external hard drive detection problems. So, let's get started and get your drive up and running. External hard drives are incredibly useful for a variety of purposes, whether you're using them for backups, additional storage space, or transferring large files between devices. These drives offer a convenient and versatile solution. However, when your computer doesn't recognize the drive, it can quickly become a real headache. There are numerous potential reasons for this frustrating issue. It could be something as simple as a loose connection or a faulty cable, or it could be more complex, involving software issues or driver conflicts. Understanding the cause is the first step toward finding a solution. Today, we're going to explore several methods to help you diagnose and fix these detection problems, ensuring that your external hard drive is up and running smoothly. So, let's dive into our first method and get your drive back in action. Method 1. Basic connection. Check. Sometimes, the solution can be as simple as checking the physical connection. Here's what you need to do. Ensure that the USB cable is securely connected to both the external hard drive and your computer. Try using a different USB port on your computer, preferably one directly on the motherboard if you're using a desktop. If the drive still isn't detected, try using a different USB cable. A faulty cable can often be the culprit behind connection issues. If after these checks your drive is still not detected, it's time to move on to the next step. Let's see if the issue lies within your computer's software. Method 2. Checking disk management. Your external hard drive might be recognized by the system, but not assigned a drive letter, making it invisible in File Explorer. Here's how to check. Press Windows plus X and select Disk Management from the menu. In the Disk Management window, look for your external hard drive. It might be listed as Disk 1, Disk 2, etc. If you see your drive listed as unallocated or without a drive letter, that's likely the issue. Right-click on your external hard drive and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add if it doesn't have a letter, or Change if you want to assign a different letter. Choose a letter from the drop-down menu and click OK. Once you've assigned a drive letter, your external hard drive should appear in File Explorer. If it still doesn't show up, don't worry. We have more solutions to try. Method 3. Updating or reinstalling drivers. Sometimes, outdated or corrupt drivers can prevent your external hard drive from being detected. Updating or reinstalling the drivers can resolve this issue. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. In Device Manager, expand the Disk Drives section and look for your external hard drive. It might be listed as USB drive or under its brand name. Right-click on your external hard drive and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If no updates are found, you can try uninstalling the driver by selecting Uninstall Device. Then disconnect and reconnect your drive to reinstall the driver automatically. After updating or reinstalling the drivers, check if your external hard drive is detected. If not, we still have a few more tricks up our sleeve. Method 4. Using third-party software. If your external hard drive is still not showing up, you might need to clean the drive using third-party software. This method will erase all data on the drive, so make sure you've tried other options first and have a backup if possible. There are several reliable third-party tools available, such as Ease US Partition Master or Mini Tool Partition Wizard. Download and install one of these programs from their official website. Launch the installed program. You'll see a list of all connected drives, including your external hard drive. Locate your external hard drive in the list. Right-click on it and select the option to delete all partitions or wipe disk, depending on the software you are using. After deleting the partitions, right-click on the unallocated space of your external hard drive and choose Create Partition. Once the new partition is created and formatted, your external hard drive should be ready for use again. These third-party tools offer a user-friendly interface that can make the process simpler than using command line methods. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Method 5. Checking for hardware issues. If all else fails, the issue might be with the hardware itself. Here's how to check. Connect your external hard drive to another computer to see if it's detected. If it works on another computer, the issue might be with your original computer. Inspect your external hard drive and USB cable for any physical damage. If you find any, you might need to replace the damaged components. If your external hard drive doesn't work on any computer, it might be faulty. In this case, contacting the manufacturer for support or considering data recovery services could be your next steps. All right, tech troubleshooters, those were 5 comprehensive methods to troubleshoot and fix external hard drive detection problems. I hope these solutions helped you get your drive working again. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tips and tricks. Got other tech issues or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy troubleshooting.